to Sound Bites Academy. You have reached day 21 of our 30 days English Level Up Challenge. Are you a tea or coffee person?
Are you a tea or coffee person?
I prefer coffee because I like the taste and it gives me energy. The aroma of freshly brewed coffee is invigorating, and it helps me start my day on a positive note. I enjoy trying different types of coffee, from lattes to cappuccinos.
I prefer coffee because I like the taste and it gives me energy. The aroma of freshly brewed coffee is invigorating, and it helps me start my day on a positive note. I enjoy trying different types of coffee, from lattes to cappuccinos.
Are you a morning person or a night owl?
Are you a morning person or a night owl?
I'm definitely a night owl. I have trouble waking up early in the morning, but once it's nighttime, I feel more energetic and creative. I enjoy staying up late, reading books, or watching movies until the late hours.
I'm definitely a night owl. I have trouble waking up early in the morning, but once it's nighttime, I feel more energetic and creative. I enjoy staying up late, reading books, or watching movies until the late hours.
What's your favorite board game?
What's your favorite board game?
I enjoy playing Monopoly with my family and friends. It's a classic game that tests our strategy and negotiation skills. It's always exciting to buy properties, collect rent, and aim to be the wealthiest player in the game.
I enjoy playing Monopoly with my family and friends. It's a classic game that tests our strategy and negotiation skills. It's always exciting to buy properties, collect rent, and aim to be the wealthiest player in the game.
Do you play any sports?
Do you play any sports?
Yes, I play basketball with a local community team. It's a fast-paced and competitive sport that keeps me active and helps me improve my coordination and teamwork skills. I enjoy the adrenaline rush and the sense of accomplishment when we win a game.
Yes, I play basketball with a local community team. It's a fast-paced and competitive sport that keeps me active and helps me improve my coordination and teamwork skills. I enjoy the adrenaline rush and the sense of accomplishment when we win a game.
Can you ride a bike?
Can you ride a bike?
Yes, I learned how to ride a bike when I was a child. Cycling is a fun and eco-friendly way to explore the neighborhood and enjoy the outdoors. It's a great activity for leisure, exercise, and spending time with friends or family.
Yes, I learned how to ride a bike when I was a child. Cycling is a fun and eco-friendly way to explore the neighborhood and enjoy the outdoors. It's a great activity for leisure, exercise, and spending time with friends or family.
How was your day?
How was your day?
It was good, thanks. I had a productive day at work. I completed all my tasks, had a positive interaction with my colleagues, and accomplished my goals. Now I'm feeling satisfied and looking forward to relaxing at home.
It was good, thanks. I had a productive day at work. I completed all my tasks, had a positive interaction with my colleagues, and accomplished my goals. Now I'm feeling satisfied and looking forward to relaxing at home.
What's your favorite type of breakfast food?
What's your favorite type of breakfast food?
I love pancakes with maple syrup and fresh berries. The fluffy texture of pancakes combined with the sweetness of maple syrup creates a delightful morning treat. Adding fresh berries on top adds a burst of freshness and a touch of tartness, making it a perfect start to the day.
I love pancakes with maple syrup and fresh berries. The fluffy texture of pancakes combined with the sweetness of maple syrup creates a delightful morning treat. Adding fresh berries on top adds a burst of freshness and a touch of tartness, making it a perfect start to the day.
What's your favorite season?
What's your favorite season?
I love summer because I get to go swimming and spend time at the beach. The warm weather, clear skies, and refreshing water make me feel alive and happy. I enjoy soaking up the sun, building sandcastles, and having picnics by the seaside.
I love summer because I get to go swimming and spend time at the beach. The warm weather, clear skies, and refreshing water make me feel alive and happy. I enjoy soaking up the sun, building sandcastles, and having picnics by the seaside.
Can you cook?
Can you cook?
Yes, I can cook simple dishes like pasta and fried rice. I learned how to cook from my parents and by watching cooking videos online. It's fun to experiment with different ingredients and flavors. Cooking allows me to be creative and share delicious meals with others.
Yes, I can cook simple dishes like pasta and fried rice. I learned how to cook from my parents and by watching cooking videos online. It's fun to experiment with different ingredients and flavors. Cooking allows me to be creative and share delicious meals with others.
What's your favorite animal?
What's your favorite animal?
I really like dogs because they're so loyal and friendly. They bring joy and companionship into people's lives. Dogs are great listeners, and their unconditional love is heartwarming. Whenever I see a dog, it puts a smile on my face.
I really like dogs because they're so loyal and friendly. They bring joy and companionship into people's lives. Dogs are great listeners, and their unconditional love is heartwarming. Whenever I see a dog, it puts a smile on my face.
What's your favorite fruit?
What's your favorite fruit?
I love strawberries because they're sweet and juicy. They are a delightful snack on a hot summer day. The vibrant red color and the burst of flavor when you bite into a ripe strawberry are simply irresistible.
I love strawberries because they're sweet and juicy. They are a delightful snack on a hot summer day. The vibrant red color and the burst of flavor when you bite into a ripe strawberry are simply irresistible.
Do you have any siblings?
Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have one younger brother. We share a strong bond and have lots of fun together. Sometimes we have silly arguments, but at the end of the day, we always support and care for each other. Having a sibling is like having a built-in best friend.
Yes, I have one younger brother. We share a strong bond and have lots of fun together. Sometimes we have silly arguments, but at the end of the day, we always support and care for each other. Having a sibling is like having a built-in best friend.
What's your favorite holiday?
What's your favorite holiday?
Christmas is my favorite holiday because I get to spend time with family and exchange gifts. The festive decorations, joyful music, and delicious food create a warm and cozy atmosphere. It's a time to express love, share laughter, and create cherished memories.
Christmas is my favorite holiday because I get to spend time with family and exchange gifts. The festive decorations, joyful music, and delicious food create a warm and cozy atmosphere. It's a time to express love, share laughter, and create cherished memories.
Can you swim?
Can you swim?
Yes, I learned how to swim when I was a child. It's a valuable skill that provides a sense of safety and opens up opportunities for water activities. Whether it's swimming in the pool, enjoying the beach, or participating in water sports, I feel confident and comfortable in the water.
Yes, I learned how to swim when I was a child. It's a valuable skill that provides a sense of safety and opens up opportunities for water activities. Whether it's swimming in the pool, enjoying the beach, or participating in water sports, I feel confident and comfortable in the water.
Do you have any pets?
Do you have any pets?
No, but I would like to have a cat someday. I find cats to be adorable and independent. Their soft fur, playful nature, and soothing purrs make them great companions. Taking care of a pet can be rewarding, and I believe a cat would bring joy to my life.
No, but I would like to have a cat someday. I find cats to be adorable and independent. Their soft fur, playful nature, and soothing purrs make them great companions. Taking care of a pet can be rewarding, and I believe a cat would bring joy to my life.
Are you a morning person?
Are you a morning person?
No, I'm not. I usually need a few cups of coffee to wake up in the morning. Mornings can be a bit challenging for me, but once I'm fully awake and alert, I can start my day with more enthusiasm. I prefer staying up late and being more productive during the evening.
No, I'm not. I usually need a few cups of coffee to wake up in the morning. Mornings can be a bit challenging for me, but once I'm fully awake and alert, I can start my day with more enthusiasm. I prefer staying up late and being more productive during the evening.
What's your favorite subject in school?
What's your favorite subject in school?
I really like art because I enjoy being creative and expressing myself. Painting, drawing, and sculpting allow me to unleash my imagination and showcase my unique perspective. It's a subject that allows me to explore different mediums and develop my artistic skills.
I really like art because I enjoy being creative and expressing myself. Painting, drawing, and sculpting allow me to unleash my imagination and showcase my unique perspective. It's a subject that allows me to explore different mediums and develop my artistic skills.
Can you speak any other languages?
Can you speak any other languages?
Yes, I can speak a little bit of Spanish. I've been learning it in school, and I find it fascinating to communicate in a different language. It opens up opportunities to connect with people from different cultures and enhances my understanding of the world.
Yes, I can speak a little bit of Spanish. I've been learning it in school, and I find it fascinating to communicate in a different language. It opens up opportunities to connect with people from different cultures and enhances my understanding of the world.
What's your favorite outdoor activity?
What's your favorite outdoor activity?
I love going for bike rides in the park. Cycling allows me to enjoy the fresh air, appreciate nature, and stay active. It's a fun and eco-friendly way to explore the surroundings while keeping my body healthy and strong.
I love going for bike rides in the park. Cycling allows me to enjoy the fresh air, appreciate nature, and stay active. It's a fun and eco-friendly way to explore the surroundings while keeping my body healthy and strong.
Do you like to dance?
Do you like to dance?
Yes, I enjoy dancing at parties and weddings. It's a great way to let loose, have fun, and express myself through movement. Dancing brings people together, creates a joyful atmosphere, and helps me unwind from the stresses of everyday life.
Yes, I enjoy dancing at parties and weddings. It's a great way to let loose, have fun, and express myself through movement. Dancing brings people together, creates a joyful atmosphere, and helps me unwind from the stresses of everyday life.
What's your favorite movie genre?
What's your favorite movie genre?
I like romantic comedies because they make me feel happy. The light-hearted stories, amusing characters, and sweet love stories bring a smile to my face. Romantic comedies provide a sense of escapism and leave me with a warm and fuzzy feeling inside.
I like romantic comedies because they make me feel happy. The light-hearted stories, amusing characters, and sweet love stories bring a smile to my face. Romantic comedies provide a sense of escapism and leave me with a warm and fuzzy feeling inside.
Can you ride a scooter?
Can you ride a scooter?
Yes, I know how to ride a scooter, and it's a fun way to get around. It's a convenient mode of transportation, especially for short distances. Riding a scooter gives me a sense of freedom and allows me to enjoy the breeze as I zip through the streets.
Yes, I know how to ride a scooter, and it's a fun way to get around. It's a convenient mode of transportation, especially for short distances. Riding a scooter gives me a sense of freedom and allows me to enjoy the breeze as I zip through the streets.
What's your favorite type of weather?
What's your favorite type of weather?
I like sunny weather because I can go outside and enjoy the warmth. The bright sunshine lifts my mood and energizes me. It's a great time to have picnics, go for walks, or simply relax outdoors while basking in the sun's rays.
I like sunny weather because I can go outside and enjoy the warmth. The bright sunshine lifts my mood and energizes me. It's a great time to have picnics, go for walks, or simply relax outdoors while basking in the sun's rays.
Do you enjoy gardening?
Do you enjoy gardening?
Yes, I find it relaxing to plant flowers and take care of plants. Gardening allows me to connect with nature, nurture living things, and witness the beauty of growth. It's satisfying to see colorful blooms and enjoy the fruits of my labor in the form of fresh vegetables and herbs.
Yes, I find it relaxing to plant flowers and take care of plants. Gardening allows me to connect with nature, nurture living things, and witness the beauty of growth. It's satisfying to see colorful blooms and enjoy the fruits of my labor in the form of fresh vegetables and herbs.
Can you play the piano?
Can you play the piano?
No, I haven't learned to play the piano, but I would like to try someday. The piano produces beautiful melodies and has a wide range of notes. It's a versatile instrument that can bring out various emotions in music, and I admire those who can play it skillfully.
No, I haven't learned to play the piano, but I would like to try someday. The piano produces beautiful melodies and has a wide range of notes. It's a versatile instrument that can bring out various emotions in music, and I admire those who can play it skillfully.
What's your favorite type of sandwich?
What's your favorite type of sandwich?
I enjoy turkey sandwiches with lettuce, tomato, and mayonnaise. The combination of tender turkey, crisp lettuce, juicy tomato, and creamy mayonnaise creates a satisfying and flavorful sandwich. It's a classic choice that never fails to satisfy my taste buds.
I enjoy turkey sandwiches with lettuce, tomato, and mayonnaise. The combination of tender turkey, crisp lettuce, juicy tomato, and creamy mayonnaise creates a satisfying and flavorful sandwich. It's a classic choice that never fails to satisfy my taste buds.
Do you like to take photographs?
Do you like to take photographs?
Yes, I enjoy taking photos of nature, people, and special moments. Photography allows me to capture memories, express my creativity, and share stories through visuals.
Yes, I enjoy taking photos of nature, people, and special moments. Photography allows me to capture memories, express my creativity, and share stories through visuals.
What's your favorite TV show?
What's your favorite TV show?
I really like watching Friends because it always makes me laugh. The characters are funny, and the situations they get into are entertaining. It's a show that I can watch over and over again and never get tired of.
I really like watching Friends because it always makes me laugh. The characters are funny, and the situations they get into are entertaining. It's a show that I can watch over and over again and never get tired of.
Hope you enjoyed today's video. Leave a comment below if you found any content challenging and share your thoughts with other learners. Subscribe, like, and share this video to support us and stay up to date on new courses. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.